Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do some pond hopping today. Actually, we're gonna go fishing at a golf course. But make sure it's okay with the pro shop first. Let's show you the rigs. Come on in. So right now what we're doing is we're tying up a 1/32 jig head. And I'm pairing it up with some gulp. This is a 2.5. Let's see if they can bite on that. If not, we'll downsize to a 1-inch grub. Let's go.
Down to your knees. Now I'm betting on a miracle.
Just doing some jigging after work. Hopefully we'll get some bluegills, some crappie, and some bass. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I wanna know if you're gonna be there.
This guy's a little chunkier. Alright, let's get this guy to the thing. We got a slab, guys. We got a slab. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, sorry. A slab. Oh my god, dude. That's a crappie. That's what a crappie looks like right there, guys. I know. Nice. Had to release, fam. He's going. Alright, he's good.